Have you ever had two experiences in the same day that combine together at an unconscious level, later to slap you around the face with an obvious idea? Hello, my name is Cassidy. I'm an NLP master trainer. Yes, I get to talk about NLP for a living. How fun's that? So what happened? Well, I was reading this article about office workers. I know, riveting, right? And 80% of office workers in America admitted to playing online games while at work. And when asked why, they said they wanted to feel like they were achieving something. Yes, I paused for dramatic effect. They wanted to feel like they were achieving something at work. That's got to be heartbreaking to business owners. The other thing that happened was, I was at home during the evening, I was watching TV and my son was next to me playing a computer game on his laptop. And what I heard was click, 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 pause. Click, 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 pause. Click, 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 pause. And I watched him for a moment. And what he seemed to be doing was, the first 3 clicks was whatever game he was playing, it was digging this hole. Then he would drag some coins in, put it into the hole, and then click, 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 click would cover the hole up. And I said to him, "What are you doing?" He said, "Ugh." I know, I got the ugh. So I knew I was onto a winner straight away. He said, "I'm burying coins, isn't it obvious?" And I said, "Why?" He said, "If I bury 100 coins, it increases my energy level so I can move to the next level of the game." And I went, "And that's fun?" I got a sideways glance. Without missing the beat, the click, click, click still going on. He went, "Dad, you just wouldn't understand. Now leave me alone, I got to focus." And I looked at him like any parent would, with this thought in my mind, if only he had the same focus and motivation around his homework, we'd be on to a winner. And that's when my unconscious mind slapped me with this idea. What could we learn from game designers that would enhance our everyday lives, that we could apply to goal setting, to motivation? We could apply it to our children, to our teams at work. The list just goes on. So that sent me down this rabbit hole of exploring game design. And I came across this wonderful book, which I will share with you at some point, about game design, which answered the question that was tickling my unconscious mind. And it gave me such great insights, gave me such great practical applications that we can use in our everyday lives. So, what is it about gaming that we can apply to everyday life that will increase our motivation, our energy, and our commitment to following through on our goals? I look forward to seeing you soon.